What is time blocking?
The previous user messages our productivity method where you schedule specific blocks of time for different tasks throughout your day. Instead of creating a simple to-do list, you allocate exact start and end times for each activity. This approach helps you prioritize important habits, avoid distractions, and bring structure to your daily routine.
Benefits of time blocking for healthy habits.
Using time blocking to build healthy habits offers several advantages. It ensures you have dedicated time each day for essentials like exercise, meal prep, or mindfulness. By scheduling these activities, you avoid putting them off. Time blocking also makes your intentions visible and realistic, boosting accountability and helping you stay consistent.
Step 1. Identify your healthy habits.
Start by listing the healthy habits you want to focus on, such as drinking water, stretching, walking, or reading. Be specific and realistic. Choose habits that fit your lifestyle and goals. Even small habits can have a big impact when practiced consistently. Knowing what you want to achieve is the first step to successfully planning your time blocks.
Step 2. Map out your daily schedule.
Next, look at how you spend your day. Use a planner, digital calendar, or simple paper schedule to map out work, meals, and other commitments. Find open spaces in your day. These are opportunities to add healthy habits. Remember to allow time for travel, rest, and flexibility. The key is to see where new routines realistically fit.
Step 3. Block time for each habit.
Assign specific time slots to each healthy habit. For example, block 15 minutes after breakfast for stretching, or reserve part of your lunch break for a walk. Treat these time blocks like appointments you can't miss. If a day gets busy, keep the block short but consistent. The goal is regular practice, not perfection.
Step 4. Track progress and adjust.
Pay attention to how your new schedule feels. Notice if time blocks work or need tweaking. It's normal to make adjustments as you find what fits best. Celebrate wins, even small ones. Over time, healthy habits will feel like a natural part of your routine, making time blocking a powerful tool for well-being.